So, dapat ang kalabasan yun, ganito. Ikaw taga-tanggal, Lex. Si Nana taga-ano lagay. Handanin mo, baka maputol. Handahan naman. Gandahan, sabi. Maputol yan. Maputol. Putol? Putol? Handahan yan. Malaki yan, oh. Put it all together here.
Can you look for the bed?
Bed daw. Yan, ibigay mo kay Nana yung bed.
The bed.
Yan, yan. Hindi naman si Nana nanonood eh.
Oh my God, there's over here.
Kanya nabuo na yung bahay ni Lexa.
Done.
Oh, give it, put it here all together here. Ito yung girl, oh.
You see?
Ano pa next?
So cute naman. What is this?
Next, doon may gulo.
I'm doing something.
You're the one to put the decoration inside the house.
Huh?
You're the one to put it.
Me?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Give me it.
Wait, later na after na build the house.
So cute. I love it. Thank you. Oh, so cute.
Almost finished.
Yeah. We need to put some things now. I'm gonna put the things. And Nana's gonna put this big things. She's gonna put the big things, okay?
Put them on the bed.
Yeah. And you have this thing.
Need board? Ang cute ng bed.
Look, I can sleep. I can sleep there, look. Look, I can sleep there. Hey. Hey, look. The green. Nana, I got so happy. My birthday and school. So now na. Ikaw na. Ikaw na.
Tomorrow you don't have school.
Ikaw na. Let me go swimming.
You're a good girl.
Huh?
Ano together? Ako lang naman ginagawa nito.
That's great, sabi niya.
Ano daw?
That's great.
Hindi, sabi niya kanina. We'll do it together eh.
Do that. No, I don't know if you change this. Isame. Where's that? Oh, there it is. You ready? Right. Oh, water here. Like. I'm giving kids something for the park for there.
Use the the back. Yeah.
Thank you.
Just ito Nana's the one to fix it now. Hindi mo naman tinulungan si Nana.
Can we do the glow in the dark?
Oh, ang cute. What's this, slippers?
Yeah.
Ang cute the slippers, oh. Ang cute ng slippers. Tingnan mo yung bookshelf, sofa, table. Cartoon lang yan, bed. So cute, oh.
Now look at that side.
Turn mo. Look at outside, guys.
And here's the window.
The window.
It's like the garden.
The garden. Don't mix it, okay?
Okay.
Saka hindi na naman complete yan. Naghirapan ni Nana yan. Oh, come na.
Can we
Hold
do
this
glow
na.
in the dark?
Hold this na. Hindi niya... Oh. Okay.
Can we do the glow in the dark? Can we do the glow in the dark?
Anong gagawin mo sa glow in the dark? O, babay na to, Dem. O, go.
Bye bye. Now let's do the glow in the dark later. Let's go.